everyone, today I'm gonna making avocado salad. Avocado is very healthy, very important to our body. It's very good. Make our face young. Okay, let's see what we have. We have avocado, boiled eggs, bacon, and cucumber, tomato, salad, chicken breast, and avocado again. And I have olive oil. Today I'm gonna use Caesar dressing or salad dressing, and I'm gonna use black pepper. Okay, let's cooking. I'm gonna put it down in a bowl. Avocado first, and chicken breast, bacon, tomato, a lot of salad. Okay, I'm gonna put olive oil. And Caesar dressing. Okay. Put it here. And I'm gonna put black pepper. I'm not opening yet. See? Okay, enough. And put it here. Okay, I'm gonna mixing. Mix. Hard. A little bit hard. Hey, it's like a rock. Looks very good. Looks very good. See? Wow. Good for your body. Okay. I'm gonna put in my plate. This. Put here. Look like machine. Okay. Last one. Okay. Finish is very easy, and I'm gonna put our boiled eggs around like this. There too. Okay. Oh, and avocado. I forgot about it. My fork. Here, avocado. Right here. Okay. Finish our avocado salad. See? Very easy, guys. Okay. I'm gonna try it now. Eggs. Hey. Wow. 3, 2, 1. You see? Very easy and very yummy and very healthy. Okay, protect yourself from COVID, okay? Wash your hands every time before you eat and wear your mask every time you go to shopping or something. Okay, thank you for coming and watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe for me. And important thing is press the bell for me, okay? Bye bye everyone. Be safety. Bye.